Now let us see about the student mark statements. So here the Python program generates a detailed mark statement of a student displaying individual subject scores, total marks, percentage, grade and pass or fail status. It first defines calculate results. So a function that computes the total number by summing the scores of for each subject and calculates the percentage based on a 100-point scale per subject and assign a grade based on a percentage. So the print mark statement function takes the student's name, roll number and mark as input, printing each subject score and a summary with the calculated total marks, percentage, grade and whether the student has passed or failed. Failing if they receive an F grade under 50%. This program provides an organized, easy to read summary of a student academic performance. Now let us see the program here. So here we created a function which is function name is calculate result. We have passed the mark as an argument over here. So total marks is equal to sum marks dot values, whereas we have to calculate the percentage of each marks. So total marks by length of marks star 100 and star asterisk 100. So assuming each subject is out of 100 marks. So to determine grade, we need to know the grade of each subject. So only you can predict whether it is pass or fail. So we are here we are using multiple if statements, that is if later, if else later, to identify the grade of each and every subject. So if percentage is greater than 90, then the grade is assigned as A plus. If the percentage is greater than 80, then the grade is assigned as A. The percentage is greater than 70, then the percentage grade is B. If the percentage is greater than or equal to 60, the grade is C. Else the grade is 50, or else the grade D, or else the F statement will be F. Now you may get the doubt, what if it is between the even 70 is above 50 and 60, so it may give D value. No, first you will check the if statement, if it will from the higher order to lower order. So if it is above that, then only it will comes under that category. So we can use this if else ladder. So we don't want to use two AND operations for this particular thing. Then it will return total marks, percentage and grade. So before the performance happening in this, here we have created the print mark statement. In that we have passed three parameters: name, roll number, marks. So we print the name, roll number and subject wise mark. To print the subject wise mark, we use for loop because we're going to print multiple subjects for subject comma mark in marks dot item. So we print each and every subject's mark. Then we're going to calculate the result. So total marks, percentage, grade is equal to calculate of result marks, that is we call the function calculate result. Then we'll print the total marks, percentage, grade, and if it is grade is F, we print the status as fail, else we'll print the status as pass. So here we also pass the value student name is equal to John Doe, student roll number is equal to 1 2 3 4 5, and we are given several marks: Maths 88, Science 76, English 90, History 67, Geography 82. And then we call the function print mark statement with passing three parameters, that is student name, student roll number and subject marks. So this is about the explanation of the code. So the function calculates the total mark, percentage, assign the grade based on the percentage as I said above, and the print mark statement function will print all those. The grade calculation, we use if statements in that are based on the grading scale. So when we see the output, it print the name John Doe, roll number 1 2 3 4 5, and subject wise mark Maths 88, Science 76, English 90, History 67 and Geography 82. As a summary of the statement, it will print total marks is 403 out of 500, so percentage is 80.60%, and the grade is A, so it produced the status as pass. So this is all about the student mark statement. So whenever we calculate the student mark statement, we must have all those data like a roll number. To calculate the grade, we use the if statement here. To analyze the percentage functions and all those things, we have transferred all the data as a parameter in the function. So this is how, whenever we work in a program, this is about the items we are loaded into a list of items. So even we can use a dictionary, so that we can assign the key value pair of Maths, Science, English as a dictionary key and the values as 88, 76, 690 and 67. Here the subject marks is given in the dictionary, so that with the key values we can access the data with all the required information. Thank you.